This is stock number B21317, 1998 Sea Ray 230 overnighter, as you can tell, on an Eagle trailer. Nice Cuddy cabin. 5.7 liter Merc Cruiser, EFI, Bravo 3 outdrive, counter-rotating dual prop, trim tabs, switchable exhaust, has Corsa quick and quiet, transom trailer trim switch, swim platform, boarding ladder, Sunsport seating, 2 captain's chairs, removable table, which also drops down with a short leg and makes for additional sunning area with a pad stored in the cuddy. Walk-through windshield. Good engine access. Sun pad lifts up. You can see the Corsa switchable exhaust. Battery with switch, of course. Dual battery. Depth finder in the dash. Comfortable cuddy. Great for family. Trailer allows you to go wherever you like. Give a call. The boat's here in the showroom at Belmare Harbor. Thank you.